My name is Jay.
Hi.
Today I'm Ruby's C5 evaluator, and about half a year ago, she is my C4 evaluator, and I think it's a very special experience for us to change the evaluator. We all know that Ruby is a very cute, smart, it means not stupid, and not foolish girl, and her speech style is very calm and slow. And well, my style is a little crazy and very speaking. So because of the contest, we learn a lot from each other. And today, Ruby tells us how important doing exercise is. First, we can do doing exercise at any time, at any place. And the most important of all, it's very fun. That's great, right? I think you have 3 advantages. First is your smile. No matter what happens, you keep your smile. You can make your audience feel your speech is more comfortable. Second, you use a lot of examples instead of explaining. When we want to share an idea, if we use too much sentence to explain, sometimes the audience will feel a little bored, such like the professor or something. So I think using saying example and telling story is better. And the third one is your eye contact. You have to look your audience and use your stage well. It can help your audience feel your speech is more interesting and more impressive. Okay. But as your evaluator, I still have one suggestion. Just one. Next time, maybe you can try to exaggerate what you want to do or talk. Overdoing it is better than underdoing it. For example, you say doing exercise is very important. It's my turn for us to do it! I want to see you use your full voice to say that. But oh, you know, I really like your speech. I like your cute style. Look for your speech. Thank you.